2023, we're going to see some really fun cake trends, and luckily for cake decorators, they're not super complicated to create yourself. First of all, I think buttercream cakes will continue to increase in popularity, as all sorts of designs are tweaked from their original fondant versions to be less time-consuming, more affordable, and, arguably, more delicious. Buttercream is so versatile, and although it can't be sculpted or molded in the same way fondant can, you can create characters with homemade stencils, and there are lots of creative techniques out there for show-stopping cakes that taste amazing too. Comic-style cartoon cakes have just started to pop up everywhere, and I think this style will explode in 2023, going beyond the basic cake design to all sorts of themes, and I think we'll see both fondant and buttercream variations. I have a very detailed tutorial on using buttercream and chocolate for this trending style, and the link is at the top of the screen and in the video description. Buttercream carving made a brief appearance a few years ago, and it's starting to reappear. Cakes are frosted colourfully and then covered up with another colour of frosting, and then carved using clay modelling tools or even piping tips to reveal the colours underneath. This is an eye-catching way to add lots of colour and texture and detail to cakes, and you can expect to see lots of interesting carved designs in 2023. I have a course on my online cake school on buttercream carving in case you want to dive into this fun technique. With wafer paper, you can make dramatic sails on cakes, and it's fairly easy to do. Just pour some water into a tray, add some gel colour, and mix it in. Wafer paper is stiff to start with, but water will make it very soft and flexible in just a few seconds. Place the wafer paper in the water for 5 seconds on each side, and then transfer it to a silicone mat or parchment paper, shaping it, and I like to wrap one end around a toothpick to make it easier to attach to a cake. Leave it overnight to dry and it will get hard and slightly shiny. To make a bowl shape, scrunch up some parchment paper or cover a round object with parchment paper to make it non-stick. Then drape the wet wafer paper over it. After it dries, you can lift it up and it will hold its shape. These look stunning on cakes, and they add height and texture and colour. This next one is surprising because it goes way back to the 1700s in France. Not this quick to create, unfortunately. This style, known as Lambeth or vintage, is elaborate with over-the-top piping to create lots of texture, and usually lots of colour too. You can use several piping tips or just 2 or 3 to achieve lots of different effects, and top the cake with swirls or decorations like glittery cherries or piped roses. These are fun for any occasion, from formal weddings to 4th of July or Valentine's Day. I'm expecting stripes to make a comeback this year, based on fashion trends, which are often mimicked by cake designs. Fun fact, my first viral YouTube video back in 2018 was a tutorial on 4 secrets for perfect stripes on cakes, and I've put the link up in the top of the screen and in the video description. Another fashion-based trend is texture, which we'll see with a surge in popularity of piped cake designs, like the fillings on this naked cake or this knitted cake design, which I teach how to decorate on my online cake school. After a few years of limited socializing around the world, smaller sized desserts are popular, and mini cakes have become very trendy, which is great for home bakers because it gives you lots of opportunities to practice baking and cake decorating without wasting a lot of ingredients. It's also much quicker to do certain designs on mini cakes, like pointillism, without needing to pipe millions of dots. Mini cakes make thoughtful gifts, romantic desserts for couples, or a fun way to serve several flavours without huge quantities. Spinning off from mini cakes, another way to create smaller portions, but with an even easier way to serve, are cake shooters. Layer cake and fillings and frosting in shot glasses or champagne flutes, and serve with spoons. These are really easy to travel with, and for some gatherings they can be more practical than a full-sized cake. Finally, as buttercream cakes continue to grow in popularity over fondant cakes, I think we'll see an increase in chocolate decorations replacing fondant. Think number toppers, decorations, details, and styles like chocolate collars or chocolate wraps. If buttercream comic-style cartoon cakes trend the way I anticipate, chocolate cake toppers will almost certainly trend with them. What do you think will trend in the world of cakes this year? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to my channel for a new cake decorating tutorial every week and visit my cake school for online courses and memberships.
Use the code 2023 to get 50% off my annual Club Plus membership. The link is up at the top of the screen and in the video description.
Thanks for watching.